Hello everybody and welcome to SolidCode. In the last video we saw how to code the first level of the Cut the Rope game. In this tutorial I just want to show you how I implemented the transition between levels and how I created the level 2 and level 3, which are really simple because everything that we use for level 1 is going to be used on those levels. So first we can see that there is a transition when we change from level to level. So let's see how that was implemented. So first we are on the level 1 and I created a game manager object that I converted it into a prefab in order to use it in the other levels, which are other scenes. And we added this scene controller script, and we added a scene transition animator the same way that we added an animator last time. And the content of that script, it is the following. So basically it receives by parameter that as public field, it has a transition animation, and we are going to set some triggers. First, the end transition. At the beginning of the transition we see that the screen goes to black. We wait 1 second and we change the scene to the next scene that we have, and we start the transition, so it goes as a fade out effect. So basically that's it. And in here I have the scene transition controller, that is the one that we added in the animator, and there is the fade in transition, which let me show you how it was done. So first what I did is to add, let me find it. Yeah, so here in the game manager I added an object scene transition which has the controller and then a canvas. This canvas has an image, so as you can see also the canvas is scaled to the resolution that I needed. And if I go here to the image itself, it doesn't have any sprite and the color is black. So what I did here is basically to change the alpha of the color, so it goes from total black to invisible. So with the alpha I created the transition, and the other one, the fade out, is just in the opposite order. So so it goes like this. So there is the fade out. So what I did also is in the script of the ball I added here yeah, a subroutine to instance the next level in the scene controller. And if I go here to scene controller, what the next level will start this coroutine that will load the next level. So that's how the main transition was done. So now let's take a look to the, yeah, let me go here to the main camera, and now let's take a look to the other scenes. So let's go to the level 2. As here in this level 2 there is nothing that we haven't used in the first level. So as you can see, I just want to show in here, the only thing is that some of the ropes, they are a little bit rotated and they have probably more content. For example, this one only has 2 links, this one has 4, and this one has 5, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so this creates this effect right here. So for example, if I run the game, as you can see, the first rope will be more tight and the other ones have more space. Or when I cut here, that gives me more space and I code those two. So let me do it. Okay, so the extra space, it helps me to create the solution. So that's how it's done. And the level 3 is the same. If we go to the structure of level 3, we have the same prefabs, just different positions, and we can see that we have 3 ropes, which the only difference is that some of them are rotated in order to put it in that way, but everything else is exactly the same. So that's how the first 3 levels are coded. And in the next tutorial I will be doing more difficult levels that includes enemies, other objects, and more obstacles. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.